Hello everyone, Fighting Path here. Today I want to show you a tutorial on how to download and install One Piece Fighting Path on your Android devices. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I will be attaching a link in the video description and the comment section below. So you go ahead and click on that. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to the x7game official store page. Once you're here, you go ahead and scroll down until you find the download button, and then you click on that. Then the APK for the x7game app store will be downloading, so you go ahead and open it, use installing package, and then press on install. Once the app has been installed, you open it up. We allow notifications. Then first of all, we need to create an account. To do that, we click on profile, and then we will have to enter our email address to get a code and create our account that way, or we can log in using Google. So I'll be logging in using Google, so I'll see you guys after that. Okay, so I have logged in with my account. Now after that, you go back to the home page and search for One Piece Fighting Path. Here you will be redirected to the game page, so you go ahead and click on the download button. While the app is downloading, we can see the trailer. It's a pretty nice trailer, and overall it's a really nice game, so I would kindly suggest you to download it, because especially now since Gear 5 has been released, it's a great opportunity for you to have such an amazing character in your inventory. So yeah, after the app has been downloaded, we go ahead and install it. Here we go to settings, we allow permissions, and then we press on install. Here we click on more details and install anyway. The app has been installed. Now we can open it up. Here press on OK. We click the blue button, or purple, or whatever it is. And here we are loaded into the game. We allow notifications. And now we wait for resources to download. I'll see you guys after that. The resources have been downloaded, so once that's done, you go ahead and click on this to accept the terms and conditions, and then we click on the button in the middle. Here we will be redirected to choose our account, so we click on sub account 1, last login, and here we are logged into the game. On the left side we can see the x7game menu. We are prompted to see translation patch. We will check on that later. So once you're here, you go ahead and click on X, and then you go ahead and choose a server. For me, it's right now I have an account created, but what you'll usually see is something like this. So you go ahead and click on this and then press the button in the middle. Now we are just waiting for resources to download. Meanwhile, we can check some of the x7game features. Here you can see there's the main menu for the x7game features. We have the welfare button, which is basically an area where you can check gift codes and coupon codes. Once in a while you get that from x7games and you can redeem them in the game. Here we have a group chat where we can see people talking about the game and stuff like this. Here we can see our profile, our balance and our account. Here we can choose a payment method and a top-up balance. Here we have a support button where we can check if with a live agent if we have any problems. There's a translation option which is really good for this game. Here we have multiple tools like a magnifying glass, for example. We click on confirm and we click on next, and here we have this magnifying glass, and basically it will translate anything that we look over. Meanwhile the game has started, so once you're here we just wait for the story to go on. Let's close that. Here we have to choose a username. Let's say FP41C. I'll select this name and then the story will begin. And as you can see, we are already in the game. We can complete our missions. So yeah, as you can see, it clearly worked. We have downloaded One Piece Fighting Path and we can go ahead and play around. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, there are multiple features for translation from the x7games. There's this magnifying glass which we can use to translate text in game, for example this. Also there's this subtitles option where we can choose an area. We can select an area and that selected area will be translated, for example like this. You can close that. And another option, and one of my favorites, is the screen capture, where we can translate the whole screen. For example, we press on this button Okay, let's try that again. Close, and then we start. Now we press on this button and the whole screen gets translated. So yeah, this is a pretty useful tool, especially since this is a Chinese game and we need English support. Other options that are available here are the x7game assistant, where again you can ask some questions, like you can contact customer service if you have any issues. And there's this toolbox where you have different options, like booster, which is a VPN booster for your game to give you a better ping in PvP. We click on OK. And as you can see here, we have 246 milliseconds ping. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Now back to the game. And one of my favorite features out of all of this is the translation patch, where you can choose a language out of these ones. We are still waiting for English support, but for now let's say we choose French. When we click on confirm, and the game now will restart in the French language. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Let me show you. So yeah, as you can see here at the bottom, there's some French text in here. We select our account again, and here we can read the patch notes in French. Here we enter the game. And yeah, now as you can see, we can see that this is the chapter 1, Luffy au chapeau de whatever. I don't really speak French, so I don't know what that is, but yeah, we can see our items, materials, fragments, crystals. I don't know what tache is, but yeah. So yeah, this is basically how it works. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. See you guys on the next videos. Bye bye.